Hello my beautiful babies and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so my video got lost or something. Thank you guys so much for watching my last video. I know I can't promote how I want to because I don't have my Instagram, but I really appreciated all the people who actually watched the video. It really means a lot to me, so thank you.
Looks so good, I wanna kiss myself. Good thing I didn't kill myself.
I did my foundation, I did my brows because I didn't really feel like messing with all that stuff. Okay, so I'm doing a shoot for one of my friends. Sorry, I gotta hang now. So his theme is like Glacier, and I'm thinking pinks, blues, purples. But I don't want my makeup to be like that, like extra. I want it to be kind of simple and something that looks like it was thrown together very easily. that's the whole vibe we're going for. Just like a mess, but like a cute mess. You know what I'm saying? It's not even a tutorial. It's just like a watch me get ready to do some shit, basically. So I'm just gonna like throw some stuff together. Okay, I have two little Super Shock shadows from ColourPop. This one is Dare. This one is Cusp, and it's like Emerald. I'm basically freestyling this. Like I said, I don't want it to look too put together or anything like that. I'm just gonna go in with my little finger. I'm gonna just go in there and try to get some. The pigment is gorgeous on that though. Look at that. Look at that. That's so pretty. That's gorgeous.
Look in the mirror and what I see. My baby's staring at me. Don't try to judge like me. I got anxiety. I'm a bad bitch and I know it. Drinking the cup, gon' pour it. Niggas in my face, I'm snoring. Baby, but you pour it. Got ice, you nice advice. Hands off, please don't you touch my back. I'm just trying to stay alive and maybe get some dick tonight. Red hot candy, bitch can't stay.
And then I'll probably clean it up, you know, so it doesn't look as whatever this is. And then I'm gonna get the Cusp. I probably should have done a different finger, but you get the gist. But I know I probably should have used a brush for this, and I probably was supposed to, but I really don't care at this point. I really don't. But if you guys could see, because the light is just a little too much, but if you guys could see what I see, this honestly turned out a little bit better than I expected it to. I think just a little bit. Just a little bit. On top of that, I'm gonna get this ColourPop pressed powder shadow, Tea Garden.
Move back, you getting too handy.
Finally got it. Alright, whatever concealer that you have, I'm just gonna take it and like deep.
Person like 36 Mafia. Come on, shut us, take a ride. Hi, nigga, you tried. 369, damn, I'm fine. Hey, baby, don't stop hitting my line. All I wanna do is have a good time. If you got a job, then you better resign. I look so good, I wanna kiss myself. Good thing I didn't kill myself. Look so good, I wanna kiss myself. Good thing I didn't kill myself. Look so good, I wanna kiss myself.
I'm gonna get my blending brush, and I'm gonna get this. I don't feel like bringing out my Morphe palette, so I'm gonna get my NYX Lid Lingerie palette. If you have been watching my channel, you know what this palette is about. And I'm gonna plop that in here just to mattify it, because there's a lot going on, and if it's not matted down, it looks a hot mess. So because my face looks a hot mess right now, I'm going to do my contouring. I won't talk through it, I'll just do it. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. And because this look is gonna be like kind of like dramatic yet underwhelming at the same time, I want my contour to be like, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna be doing the most.
What you gonna do?
Look in the mirror and what I see. My baby's staring at me. Don't try to judge like me. I got anxiety. I'm a bad bitch and I know it. Drinking the cup, gon' pour it. Niggas in my face, I'm snoring. You keep baby, but you pour it. Got ice, you nice advice. Hands off, please don't you touch my back. I'm just trying to stay alive and maybe get some dick tonight. Red hot candy, bitch can't stand me. Move back, you getting too handy. What you gonna do? We get it on. Give good hair like a hair salon.
We all die. You either kill yourself or get killed. What you gonna do?
Twisting my body from side to side. Person like 36 Mafia. Come on, shut us, take a ride. Hi, nigga, you tried. 369, damn, I'm fine. Hey, baby, don't stop hitting my line. All I wanna do is have you got a job, then you better resign. I look so good, I wanna kiss myself. Good thing I didn't kill myself. Look so good, I wanna kiss myself. Good thing I didn't kill myself. Look so good, I wanna kiss myself.
I don't know. I think that's all I want to do with this. Just because I didn't add lashes, I think I'm going to be extra and add like some like rhinestones right here. You can't really see it. I mean, it's there. Hopefully it dries down clear, because that would be a waste. I know everybody's probably like, what is going on with her hair? What is the plan? Because that looks a hot mess. Moses departed the Red Sea. And I just can't think anyone. I don't know. Girl, I do not know.
36 Mafia, come no show, let's take a ride. Hi nigga, you tried. 369, damn I'm fine. Hey baby, don't stop hitting my line. All I wanna do is have a good time. If you got a job, then you better resign. I look so good, I wanna kiss myself.